Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Model 3 versus the Kia Niro EV. We'll explore their key differences in performance, range, and overall value to help you decide which electric vehicle best suits your needs. Get ready to dive into the specifics of each car, from acceleration to charging, and discover which one aligns with your lifestyle and budget. We'll cover everything you need to know. When it comes to performance, the Tesla Model 3 truly shines with its rapid acceleration and precise handling, making every drive exciting. The Kia Niro EV, while not as quick, offers a very pleasant and composed driving experience, perfect for city driving and longer trips. Both cars provide a quiet cabin, but their interior philosophies are quite distinct. Range is a crucial factor, and both vehicles deliver impressive numbers, with the Model 3 typically offering a bit more. Charging experiences differ significantly. Tesla boasts its proprietary supercharger network, known for speed and reliability. The Niro EV, however, uses the common CCS standard, giving you access to a broad array of public chargers. Both cars feature advanced infotainment and driver assistance systems. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities. If cutting-edge performance, a vast charging network, and a premium feel are paramount, the Model 3 is a strong contender, despite its higher cost. For excellent value, practicality, and a comfortable ride, the Niro EV stands out as a fantastic option. Both are great electric vehicles, offering distinct advantages. Check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.